How to add symbols on MetaTrader 5. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device and make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, make sure you are in the Codes tab. This will display the list of currently watched symbols. Tap on the plus button at the top right corner or simply tap on the search bar and this will open up a symbol search window. Here, you can type in a symbol by their name. Simply type in the name of a symbol you want to add or search by the name of the instrument. You can also browse through the instruments and select the currency or symbol. Once you found the symbol you want to add, tap on it. You now have successfully added the symbol to your codes list. So, this is how you can add symbols on MetaTrader 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.